Everybody have them part to play in the fight against crime. No magic one can make crime disappear. At the same crime cycle, every day, bad man murder people, police murder bad man, residents are shed fake tears, and I talk about police wicked and evil. The crime cycle constantly repeat. You wipe out this set are done, another set are done, on the rise. The crime rate hit the country like a tidal wave. The man ended up on a murder rampage. Adjust the crime cycle. Youth, skull class, and go farm fool. Go pick up the tool. Friends lead them astray, yet them a blame hunger and poverty for the cause of crime. How can crime stop in this country when you can't trust certain politicians and certain cops? From the bigger head thief and corrupt, what is expected of the small man? At the same crime cycle, every day, the artists them a big up bad man. The same bad man turn against them and I start to execute them one by one. We don't need no more gangster and scamming lyrics, but we need a more conscious and righteous lyric. You know, so crime is a monster. We don't need no more woman for have no baby gunman for them baby father or contribute to the disaster. At the same crime cycle, every day, friend a kill friend. Black man alike when black man start rise. People, open up your eyes. Crime and poverty, unemployment, lack of education. But from within the heart, because the heart of man is evil. So only God alone himself can fix crime.